you on the television, hiding behind the stars. They got you on